Alright boys, so this right here is a spark plug boot, and this is also the reason for my car's misfortune. This car was misfiring on cylinder 6, and it was shaking pretty bad when you left it idling, and my RPMs were going up and down uncontrollably, but as you can see, they are finally steady. The check engine light was there, but it's gone, and I am finally happy to report that after 2 weeks of dedicated effort, we now have zero, I repeat, zero misfires. As you can see right there, zero misfires for all cylinders. It is currently running. That's the engine speed, don't worry about that. And we are finally good to go. This car is finally running as it should. We walk away, but this time with the dub.